Hello everyone, this is Willis Reaction and welcome back to the channel. If you love the inspiring stories, powerful Jamaican voices and content that motivate you to become the best version of yourself, you are in the right place. Just hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications and join our growing family because we bring you most uplifting and truthful provoking videos every day. Now, let's hear the incredible message from a young Jamaican whose words are inspiring people around the world.
Me, the young Jamaican trainer. Let me tell you, some people out there are very jealous of the special gift that God gave you. God gives everybody a gift, but it's how you use it. It's how you maintain it. If you use it the right way, nothing happens. If you use it the bad way, something will happen. But of course, you're going to have jealous ones, but don't let them dim your light. And I'm going to say this. We all have our struggles. Yes, people, we all have our fights. But no one is ever going to dim your light. Don't let no one dim your lights, and I will never let no one dim our lights. We stay strong together. You understand me? We are not a sheep. There's nothing wrong with being a sheep, but we are wolf. A wolf mentality. A wolf takes over the jungle. Nobody steps in its territory. Because if you're a sheep, they treat you like garbage, like you're nothing. You don't mean nothing. You mean like a piece of rock. And rock don't mean nothing. But if you're a wolf, nobody want to mess with you. Nobody. They want to stay far distance from you. Let me tell you, the devil wants to get you in trouble. God is the one. Follow him. He's leading you to the right direction. We all need to follow him. You understand me? People, we can't lose focus. We can't lose track. Because the devil, you listen to the devil, he leads you to the wrong direction. That's what we don't want to happen. You understand me? That's why I said we have to stand strong. We don't let people push us around. Because the devil, he talks in your ear and he said, do this, do that. And he's basically controlling you. And once you do that, you're in trouble. Something happened. But when you listen to that guy up there, God, who wants the best of you, who gives you that gift, and you use it in the right way, nothing goes wrong. Follow God. He gives everybody a gift, but it's how you use that gift in your way. It's up to you, people. Don't let nobody dim your lights. No matter what they say, no matter how they look at you, whatever they want to say, but don't let it hurt you. You kill them with kindness. Smile. Even if you don't want to put a smile on your face. Do what God tells you, not the devil. The devil wants to get you in trouble. And I will say this once again. We all have our struggles. Yes, people. We're not perfect. We all have our fights. I have my struggles, I have my fights. But I will not let no one dim my lights. And I'm going to leave that with you in your head. No weakness, baby. Believe it, achieve it, become it.
Sometimes wisdom comes from the most unexpected place. We often assume that the life-changing advice must come from a successful partner, entrepreneurs, famous speakers, and experienced elders. But every once in a while, someone comes along who completely changes the belief. Today, that person is a young Jamaican boy, believed to be only around 10 to 12 years old. Despite its age, he delivered a message with confidence, passion, and conviction. His words are simple, yet they carry a deep meaning that many adults spend decades trying to understand. His speech reminds us that greatness isn't measured by age, but by character, purpose, and the willingness to inspire others. One of the strongest messages he shared is that every person has a unique gift from God. Instead of comparing ourselves to others, he encouraged everyone to discover their own talent, work hard to develop them, and never allow anyone to convince them that they are not good enough. He also speaks about dealing with negativity. Throughout life, there will always be people who criticize, discourage, or become jealous of your progress. Rather than allowing those voices to define your future. He encouraged everyone to remain confident and continue moving forward. Another memorable part of his speech is that the wolf mentality. He uses the wolf as a symbol of courage, determination, and leadership. His message isn't about aggression, but about standing firm in your beliefs, respecting yourself, and refusing to let others control your destiny. It is a reminder that confidence and reliance are essential qualities to success. Faith also plays a certain role in his message. He reminds viewers that discipline, prayer, and making wise decisions can help guide people through life's challenges. He encouraged young people to especially to avoid distractions that could lead them anyway from their goals. Instead, focus on becoming responsible, hardworking, and individual. What makes this message so remarkable isn't just what he says, it's the confidence and certainty with which he says it. At such as a young age, he demonstrated maturity and inspired people of all generations. His speech reminds us that powerful ideas can come from young ones, regardless of age, background, or circumstances. Sometimes the voice we least expect become one of the level of greatest impact. This young Jamaican has shown that age is never barrier to making a positive difference. His words encourage to believe in ourselves, protect our dream, and stay faithful, and never allow negativity to stop us from pushing our purpose. If his message inspired you, have a comment, leave a comment below and share what part touches you most. And most important part, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to encourage someone else today. Together, let's continue supporting positive voices that inspire hope, strength, and purpose. See you next time, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.